Hello viewers, this is Dhanjit and you are watching me on my YouTube channel Reaction Concept. Today in this video I am going to discuss a problem that is asked in NEET 2019. In this problem, it is asked that which will make the basic buffer. Here 4 mixtures are given. These are the mixtures of acid and base. Out of these 4 mixtures, you are supposed to find out the which mixture will form a basic buffer solution. So guys, in order to solve this question, you should know 2 concepts. This question is basically asked from the ionic equilibrium chapter. So from this chapter you should know the concept of buffer solution and types of buffer. Okay, by these 2 concepts you can solve this question. Let us see what is buffer solution. Buffer solution is a solution in which if we add a small amount of acid or base, suppose you have an A solution, if we add small amount of acid or base to this solution, then the change in the pH of the solution is 0. That is, no change is happen in the solution on addition of small amount of acid and base. Such type of solution is known as buffer solution. Okay, there are 2 types of buffer solution are there depending upon the composition of the buffer solution. So buffer solution can be classified into 2 types. One is called acidic buffer and the other is called basic buffer. Basic buffer solution. So what is the acidic buffer solution? A acidic buffer solution is a mixture of equimolar mixture of a weak acid plus a salt with a strong base. Suppose for example you can say weak acid, acetic acid. Okay, acetic acid is a weak acid. So and a salt with a strong base, suppose sodium acetate. Okay, equimolar mixture of these 2 compositions will make a acidic buffer. Similarly, a basic buffer solution is a mixture solution of equimolar mixture of a weak base and is salt with a strong acid. For example, ammonium hydroxide, it is a weak base. So ammonium chloride, it is a salt of ammonium hydroxide, a strong acid HCl. So equimolar mixture of ammonium hydroxide and ammonium chloride will form a basic buffer. Okay, these 2 conditions you should know to solve this question. So let us see the options here. You see, the first option, it is given that sodium hydroxide and acetic acid, it is a strong base and it is a weak acid. Okay, so these 2 compositions will not form a basic buffer because to be a basic buffer the base should be weak. So here it is also a strong weak acid and strong base. So option 2 is also incorrect. You see in the option 3, here it is HCl and it is ammonium hydroxide. So it is a weak base and it is a strong acid. Now we have to see the amount of these two mixture, whether it will form a buffer solution or not. You know that when an acid HCl solution react with ammonium hydroxide, a neutralization reaction will happen and it will form ammonium chloride and water. Initially in the mixture it is given that amount of HCl is, you see what will be the amount of HCl? It will be V1M1. So it will be 10 millimole. What is the amount of V2M2? It is the amount of ammonium hydroxide. It will be 20 millimole. So initially we have in the mixture 10 millimole of HCl and 20 millimole of ammonium hydroxide, and these two will be 0 and 0 at the initial condition. After final stage we will have here, you see from the stoichiometry you can easily say that the 1 mole of HCl will react with 1 mole of ammonium hydroxide and it will form 1 mole of water and ammonium chloride. So 10 millimole here, it is this is a limiting reagent and it is a excessive reagent. So 10 millimole of HCl will already totally react with ammonium hydroxide and it will form 10 millimole of ammonium chloride. Here 0 millimole will remain and here 10 millimole will remain. Okay, in the final stage the solution, mixture solution will contain ammonium hydroxide, 10 millimole of ammonium hydroxide plus 10 millimole of ammonium chloride. These two will remain in the solution. So mixture of these two will form a basic buffer, because this is a weak acid and it is a salt of this weak acid with a strong, this is a weak base and this is a salt of this weak base with a strong acid, so it will form a basic buffer. So out of these four, the option 3 will be the correct option. I hope you guys have understood whatever the things I have discussed here. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for instant notification. Thank you guys.